Wemaga muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Miaki na Mebe TV ngwirani mucii wigwe wi mucii. Riu kiroko kia mothe witundukite ndeto njeru ciegie Reverend Ben na dama wa mobile spares. Ni ndugata imwe igwitwo Ruxy Divines yukire na ndereti ino iria gituthukire maundu maingi muno. Yandika atiriri katika hari Facebook yake auga Bishop Ben Kiengei with female member. The newest bishop recently opened a branch huko Majuu and he's doing very well. Akiwa Friday kuri tariki 23 mwaka wa 2024. He has looked at Pastor Ben Kiengei's house, Jesus Compassionate Ministry, after emerged that he has having an affair with one of his wealthy female congregants identified as Dama, prominent Kikuyu business lady who runs one of the biggest mobile spare parts shop in Nairobi. Danagikirira hau auga atiriri, my problem with Reverend Ben is that when he builds you a house or dedicate it, you go to be with the Lord. Shortly after that, Kiengei advertised and had artificial penises called dildos sold within his church's premises. He appeared to women in scary dream. Sasa tena ndio huyu udanagikirirwo ni andu niokirirwo ni andu muno tona Esther amwira atiriri, mwathani mwega ici ndigukira nacio na ringiumiriria. Simon akauga atiriri, touch not the anointed one, only that for now. Chiko kauga atiriri, mimi I can't believe it's true without evidence. Ni andu makimukirira muno to ntakumukirira maramukirira muno kuringana na uria akirathimitwo. Enjo akauga atiriri, tuko busy huku Narok opening another church and spreading the compassionate gospel. Yeni matiragitambura igutamone andu kana kukirania uria marakiraria. Julia akauga atiriri, wenye hawana husband nataka wadu nini, just asking. Napenda peace. Ugakauga haha turacigua nawe tondu icikire njeru matikiguite. Riu ni ndereti ira yagitrendi thaa ici mwena uria wa Facebook. Tukiuga atia na twita Miaki na Mebe nitumagara.